Ma. Let's do an unboxing time.
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Kitten.
Oh, Eddie.
It's something I bought. I'm not sure what it is actually.
Wow.
I don't know what it is.
It's a book. Wow. I love this. Wow. Have unboxed.
Kuya said this one, the shoes is from Zalando, Ma.
What shoes?
Celine. Because I asked Kuya.
So guys,
like,
I get this from my daughter. Steve Harvey. I love it.
I'm a thank you.
Welcome.
And welcome.
Yes, huh?
Because Kuya said it's from Zalando.
It's some wala na?
Oh.
You?
That's it?
I think it's mine. I don't know.
Oh.
What is this?
Guess?
It's a guest perfume. Kasi ibibigay ko siya and then ano ko sa Pinas.
Oh, yeah, I can press.
Can you, like, try it?
Me and Dada have this now.
Gaya ka na.
No, I saw it before. I didn't even know she had these. Yeah, Selena.
Eri ko, Ella, budan So guys, guess na. Kasi may pagbibigyan ako pag uwi ko sa Pinas.
But it fits so well.
So it's 36 ka?
Yeah. Huh?
Tiga balewa.
Yeah, I know. Men. Det går til at danse med. Jeg skal lige vise Paolo et eller fordi jeg har glædet mig. Så de var både en surprise fra min mor og fra mig. Unexpected.
No.
Det er fordi, jeg købte den der bog, fordi jeg købte ikke en gave til min mor med min egen penge. Så jeg skulle lige...
Is it this one? Seductive? Yeah, this one. Because this one, I gonna give it to my family in Philippines.
And you're already reusing it.
I just know. Try it.
Split curve video.
Yeah, igos. Ela siya iskalba. Aulo kaya dit si Bay Oh.
Ja, alsjeblieft voor een iPhone 4.
Oh, yeah?
Ben? Dan?
Ik ga niet voor de informatie.
Will you get him?
On Ben? iPhone?
Yeah, she got a new iPhone. It's her first iPhone.
No, okay.
It's a 14 but black. And then look what we did, ma. Same akong SIM card, but we switched it. Anay black, akong white.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
And
you see your shoes?
look at my shoes, guys.
It's fit.
Yeah, it fits. Like it's a little bit big, but it's not like that big.
You can wear the yung check strompa.
I think so.
Pag naglakad ka, pwede mo higpitan yung plan. Who bought this? Din mo?
Nou, een av min mammas väninna.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Nag-switch kayo?
Yeah. So that because she have black and I have white.
No.
So yeah.
Okay.
Cutesy.
Yes.
But thank you, ma. Love you.
Good morning, guys. And mag-unboxing tayo. Alam ko ano to. Oh. Ito yata yung na-order ko na matagal dumating. Yung na-message ko sila na wala pa yung order ko. Tapos na yung aking labahan. Kailangan kong sampayin. Kasi gagamitin ni Mr. Bukas yung long pants niya. And then meron siyang tawag dito. Meron siyang guys, Christmas party. Ano to? Ito yata yung magnetic something na in-order ko. Paano ma-open? Oh, I think. Yeah, ito nga yata yung magnetic. Paano ko? Yung alam mo yung guys, yung pang car ko na yeah, magnetic nga siya. Pang magnetic. Ano ba pang magnetic? Ang gulo ko. So, finally, mayroon na. So, tingnan natin. Yung magnetic na ano, yung DJ, na ididikit mo lang siya kung saan ka man mag-film. Hindi ko na alam kung paano to siya gamitin ba. Paano ba? Ito is handle, yeah. And, paano naging magnetic, guys? Tingnan natin. Hindi naman nagmamagnet. Oh, parang may magnet ako dun sa ano pala. And then, ang mangyayari, ito, ano to? Oh. Ang alam ko, ito, dito. And ito. Wala kasi siyang manual, no? Oh yeah, now I get it. Ayan. Nakuha ko na, guys. Ito dito, I think. Ayan. And, meron din akong, ano, in order sa wishlist ko. Wala lang bumili kasi. Yung ano siya, guys, naman, yung pang car ko. Kasi pag nagka-car ako, wala akong, ano, pag nasa car ako. And then, ito dito. Ngayon, may magnet. Paano? Try natin. Hindi man siya nagmamagnet. Pero ang alam ko, mayroon akong magnet na ano. So, ito siya. Ganyan. Ganyan. So, try natin.